Running your own business, filing your self-employed taxes correctly is key to maximizing deductions and staying on the IRS's good side. TurboTax Self-Employed is built for you. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Start by making sure you're using the right product. TurboTax Self-Employed. It has all the specific features you need. The interview will walk you through reporting your 1099 income, and then it will dive deep into your business expenses. This is where you save money. You'll categorize every business expense: home office, mileage, advertising, supplies. The more accurate you are, the more you lower your taxable profit. My crucial pro tip: connect your accounts for automatic expense tracking. Link your business bank account, PayPal, or credit card. TurboTax will import and categorize transactions all year, making tax time a simple review instead of a receipt scavenger hunt. It turns the complexity of self-employment taxes into a guided, manageable process. What's your biggest self-employment tax question? Quarterly estimates or home office deductions? Ask in the comments. For more help for business owners, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.